Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my latest jewelry collection. Now this video is highly requested. Like you guys are always asking me, Mansi, where is this choker from? Where are your rings from? Your earrings from? Your watches from? So I thought let's sit down and talk about the collection that I'm currently having, because I have already made a video about this topic in the past, but all of the products were from either Shein or Club Factory or AliExpress, and now that all of these apps are banned, even I was really worried where to buy jewelry from, but I have collected some really nice pieces which are from Indian websites. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so let's start, but before we get into the video, let me just make one thing very clear, that this is not an affordable jewelry haul. There are a lot of pieces which are expensive, simply because Shein was selling a lot of pieces for a very affordable price, and that's not the case right now. And only one thing matters when it comes to jewelry, when I buy jewelry, that the quality should be good. I don't mind spending money on it, but I want that choker or that earring to last me for a very long time. I don't want it to get tarnished in like 2 or 3 usages. It's just so annoying when that happens. So you guys must be seeing this choker that I was wearing from past 2 years. OG Maufam members would know this, and I had bought this from AliExpress. I'm not going to talk about it in today's video, but just wanted to tell you guys that I do use the pieces for a very long time, and I really look for quality. So yeah, the pieces that I'm going to share in today's video are of good quality, so I don't mind spending like 500 rupees on a choker, but I want that choker to not get tarnished very quickly. So let's get started with the chokers, obviously, because you guys are obsessed with my chokers. Okay, so let's talk about this choker now. So this has pearl detailing going on, and it's such a dainty piece, you guys. I love this. So this is from this brand called as Tonic. Now I don't know if it's called Tonic or Tonic, but I'm just gonna call it Tonic, which is available on Myntra. Now this brand is so good. I have a lot of pieces from this particular brand, and this piece looks very pretty. Because this has like a pearl detailing, it also can pass for Indian jewelry when you're gonna wear like a nice deep cut kurta and you don't want like a very bold piece in your neck. You can wear this, wear some nice hoops, and you're good to go. The build quality is amazing. It's very dainty, very delicate. I really like it, and it's not flimsy. It does not look cheap. I got this for around 400 rupees, and I really like it. It is like a 3-layer piece, and it looks really beautiful. So yeah, a big thumbs up to this one. Okay, let's talk about this piece right now. So this is again a double layer piece. I wore this in one of my Instagram posts, I think, and obviously you guys went bonkers again. So this is again from the same brand called Tonic, and I love this piece. It is really bold, but it also does not look heavy when you wear it. Now as far as I know, I got it for 260 rupees, but the current price, if you check on Myntra, it's around 500 rupees. So it actually matters ki tum kab buy karte ho, because Myntra has a lot of sale going on, even Nykaa. So yeah, the prices are gonna vary, but just click on the links that I will be mentioning in the description box below and check the current price when you're gonna buy it, because when I bought it, it was a different price. So let's move on to the next choker which I'm wearing. Okay, so this one was highly requested. You guys were really asking me almost every day that, Mansi, where is this choker from? So this is one of the most expensive chokers that I've ever bought, because this is from the brand called as Accessorize, and you guys know that Accessorize is one of the most expensive brands when it comes to modern like delicate pieces. So this one was for around 1000 rupees. Yeah, it was for 1000 rupees. I again got it from Myntra. So this is having like a beach vibe, because it has pearls, it also has shell like structure, also has some stars. So yeah, I just love it. There is no complaint. This has not got tarnished. This is with me, I think, for a month, over a month, and I'm using it almost every day. It's so beautiful. It goes with everything and anything, and the size of this, like the length of this, is perfect. It's not too tight, not too loose. It just fits my neck perfectly, and yeah, I think it's one of my favorite pieces now, like my favorite go-to pieces. So yeah, a big thumbs up to this one again. Let's move on. So this brand is available on Nykaa, and the next piece that I'm gonna share is for 350 rupees, and this is how it looks like. It's like a double layered coin necklace. It's sort of long, so it's not like your choker, it's sort of like a necklace, and it is having 2 coins, and it has like this moon star detailing going on, which I love. So this actually goes with everything, but I think this would look beautiful on t-shirts which are having turtleneck, or sweatshirts which are having turtleneck. It will look really beautiful. And again, this is with me for almost a month or so, and this has not got tarnished whatsoever. A lot of you guys ask me how do I store my jewelry. So I have like a box in which I keep my jewelry. I make sure that my jewelry does not come in contact with water or moisture. As soon as I'm done filming a video, I will always keep it inside the box. Okay, so let's move on. This is like the newest piece that I just got, like today only I unboxed it. So this one is again bought from Nykaa. The brand is called as 20 Dresses, and this is like a 3-piece situation, but it's not attached, so it will not get entangled. A lot of the double layer or triple layered pieces get entangled, and it's very frustrating to, you know, suljhaify them, untangle them. So this is good because all the 3 pieces are detached from each other, so you can either use them together or differently. The smallest piece is like this. It has like shards situation going on, and it's very delicate. I really like it. I can easily, you know, layer this up with a longer necklace and it would look really beautiful. Then the second layer is your normal necklace with like a diamond detailing going on. This is how it looks like. The diamond sort of looks cheap, but I think I can work with it. And the third one looks like this, which is like the longest piece. It is having white detailing going on, and I don't think I am gonna wear this, like at least on your western tops. This will not look that pretty. Probably on Indian clothes this will look pretty, but yeah, it's good that it's detached from all the 3 pieces, so you know I can decide if I want to wear it or not. Okay, so that was all about my chokers that I have recently bought and recently wearing in all of my videos. Let's move on to earrings. I do not have a lot of them because, let's be honest, I just wear hoops like these. So these are by this Instagram store called as Oshri Accessories. She's also one of my subscribers, and I think the jewelry pieces that she sends are amazing. These are the hoops that she sent, and I love it. Oh my god, these are such good quality. They are with me for almost more than, I think, 2 months now, if I'm not wrong. They have not gotten tarnished, like zara sa bhi scratch nahi hai, and I love the quality. They are not your regular plain hoops. There is some texture going on these hoops, and they are the perfect size, not too big, not too small. I love them. I think these are the hoops I have not stopped wearing ever since it arrived. All of my Instagram posts, all of my YouTube videos, I am wearing only these hoops. So big thumbs up and shout out to Oshri Accessories. Then the only new pair of hoops that I've gotten is this one, this neon yellow green color, and I don't know when I'm gonna wear this. I'm just waiting for, you know, parties to start so I can wear this. This is gonna look so pretty on like a white blazer thing, or even black. It's gonna look really pretty. This one I got from Myntra. Wait, let me just check the price. It's for 499 rupees right now, but when I bought it, it was for 300 rupees, and it is again from the same brand, Tonic. Okay, so I am done with the new earrings and the chokers. Let me just briefly talk about my rings because I've bought them recently only. So let's start with this one, which is like the oldest ring. So a lot of you guys ask me that where is this ring from. So this ring is in my pinky finger for almost 5 to 6 years now. So my engineering friends, my girlfriends, gifted this to me on my first birthday with them, like my first year of engineering, and I have never taken this off. This, I don't know what material is this, but this has not gotten tarnished whatsoever. This is definitely silver plus rhodium mixture. Then let's move on to this ring right here, which is like a double studded thing. It is adjustable, and it is also having like 2 heart shaped diamonds. Then the newest collection is this. This is a stone called Pushkaraj. I think it's called yellow sapphire in English, and this is a real ring. This is like the most expensive jewelry item on my body. This is almost for 37,000 or something. So the stone only costs around 16 to 17,000, and then I've gotten it made in white gold. And when it comes to stones or crystals, please, you know, consult with your astrologer, family, Jyotish or whatever, and then only get the crystals, because it's supposed to be worn according to your sun sign, moon sign and all of that stuff. So I don't want you guys to buy anything and everything that I have. This is like recommended to me to and also to my sister. That's why we both have this. And last but not the least, let's just talk about my watches and bracelets. I have already made an in-depth video about it, but the new Maofam members probably don't know about it. So everything is from Daniel Wellington. So this is this petite bracelet which I wear with the watch, and also this is like a thicker bracelet which I wear in this hand. So I have made like an in-depth video about this. I'll be leaving that in the description box below when I collaborated with them, so you can just watch that video. You will have all the details of my sizes and everything in that video. So yeah, okay guys, I guess that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down what other videos you want me to do, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye. Asking if I want to sell my OnePlus. Who watches their own stories and laughs? Jewelry that you could find, which I have to scroll इतना नीचे कि मुझे products ही नहीं मिल रहे. Can you hear this? They're literally making